Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can convert PDF file into JPEG in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you have to go for your PDF. You can see into our desktop icon here is PDF. If we open it, see the PDF over here. Basically it's a bus ticket, so I want to convert it into JPG in a very simple way. So first you need to go for your Google Chrome browser, or you can choose any of your preferable browser, and then you can type PDF to JPEG file. You can see, click on that, and after scrolling down a little bit you will find pdf.jpg.net. so click on that. You can see there is an option called choose a PDF file, so click on it and then select your PDF file. And if you want to give the quality excellent over here, then give it and then click convert to JPG. After a very short time you can see that your JPG picture, and there is an option called download, so click on that, close this ad, and you can see your PDF is downloaded over here. So you can see your JPG is downloaded over here. If you click on that, you can see it came with this image JPG over here, you can see. So this is how we can convert PDF into image or JPG in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.